What's everyone saying? It's your boy Someone Explores back again. We're here today at Glasgow Queen Street. We're going to be heading out east to Edinburgh and we're going to be doing a boat tour around the coastline of Edinburgh on the Firth of Forth. Catch you.
If you see something that doesn't look right.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I want to be in the video.
Hi.
Hey, welcome.
What? With my 20 views a day? It's not gonna... What if what? Bada bing.
John, everyone comfortable? Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's good. Or maybe not as the case may be. So welcome to the Three Bridges. We're going to be taking on a terrific trip out to town. All this area came into existence originally because of overcrowded and unsanitary conditions in the Royal Mile. It was decided to start from scratch, start fresh and go at that meantime. A man called James Craig, a 26-year-old architect, won a competition that dates back to 1046. The area on the left is British Street Gardens. It's a valley here which was created by a glacier. The glacier itself was split into two by the Castle Rock and created a...
Look at that.
Non, j'ai jamais su pas comment dire. Wow. Wagwan. Because, like, I was afraid of saying the
So
Hello,
wait,
and
hey,
welcome to Someone Explores. Today we are touring the three bridges river.
what if I've already done my intro?
I don't care. Go in it.
So we're here, South Queensferry. The boat is just coming right there.
Demand is like.
But the thing is, look at the views, look at the views, look at the views. So you got the, okay, behind the building, got the bridge, Fourth bridge there, the other fourth bridge is there. There's a little kiosk there. And yeah, where are you guys heading? Where are you guys heading? Where are you guys heading? Yeah, look at that ticket. Oh gosh, that is a ticket and a half. Hefty. Are we gonna get on?
That was such a second year. I remember that. We do it all the time.
Yo, I'm actually terrified. Play this in time.
I don't know. They should though. They should.
Don't drink Gabor down as a crew. I think Gabor's in the bar, so I should have cold drinks and snacks. Unfortunately, they can sell alcohol at the moment.
Disappointment.
You're coming out towards the middle of the room.
Here we go. They got bangers in the background. Tune. Yes. Oh, bridge.
That's the city of Edinburgh, and a little further on, the Port of Leith.
Down there.
You may be able to see the skyline of Edinburgh, the highest steeple at the top of the Royal Mile, and the crowned spire of St John.
Look at that zoom.
The very best way to learn far more about the city of Edinburgh, more than I have time to tell you today, Island and Ellis Island for all the thousands
So that's
of people
Inchcolm
to the USA and Canada.
going around. You can get off, but we're just gonna stay on because that costs extra money and you know,
Ships also sail
overdraft.
as far as Australia.
Checking the weather like a few days ago, and it was saying it was gonna be raining. It's not raining. We got lucky. Got lucky. Super lucky. Yeah, boy. What do you want to say? How are you finding it so far? Historical?
In a few moments, we will be
We're in Scotland, man. What do you expect?
safe for your disembarkation. We will look forward to seeing you again on our return.
Look at those gnomes. See, it's actually called Inchcolm. Oh, banter.
Approaching the harbour of Inchcolm Island. Can you see the watertight railway lines up on the banking?
I had railway line.
These
What?
would have taken. Is a
Say?
selection of food and drinks available, and you will pass the toilet on your way
Damn.
to the bar.
Just past Inchcolm.
And so coming
There was
up
a
next,
seal around
the
here, but
undersea world of
don't know where it's gone.
The sea clowns from Morocco, and of course.
Look at those seals. Just chilling. Having fun. Ooh. How's it going? Fife. Look at that, Fife.
Someone explore.
Someone explores. boat trip done. Now to get back on the bus, back to Edinburgh.